Hey everyone, it's Dr. Mike, and I'm here with Finance Balance to talk about something that affects millions of us: weight loss. Did you know that nearly half of all adults have tried to lose weight in the past year? That's a staggering number, and it shows just how common this struggle is. We're constantly bombarded with fad diets, miracle pills, and conflicting information that can make losing weight feel impossible. But what if I told you that there are simple, science-backed hacks that can help cut calories and reach your goals without feeling deprived? In this video, I'm going to share 5 surprising strategies that you can start implementing today. These aren't your typical weight loss tips. We're diving deep into the science behind them and showing you exactly how they work. Let's get started. Before we jump into the hacks, let's talk about why losing weight can feel like an uphill battle. It's a journey filled with obstacles that can make even the most determined individuals feel defeated. One of the biggest hurdles is misinformation. In today's digital age, we're constantly bombarded with conflicting advice about what to eat, when to eat, and how much to exercise. From diet books to fitness programs, the sheer volume of information can be overwhelming. One source tells you to cut carbs, while another swears by high-protein diets. It's no wonder so many people feel lost and confused. Another challenge is motivation. Starting a weight loss journey is exciting, but staying motivated over time can be tough. The initial enthusiasm often fades as the reality of daily life sets in. You might start with a burst of energy, eagerly planning workouts and preparing healthy meals. But as days turn into weeks and weeks into months, maintaining that level of commitment becomes increasingly difficult. Life gets in the way, cravings hit, and it's easy to fall back into old habits. Trust me, I've been there. The struggle to balance work, family, and personal health can be overwhelming. And let's not forget about the methods themselves. Many popular diets are overly restrictive, leaving you feeling hungry, deprived, and ultimately setting you up for failure. You might see some initial results, but these diets are rarely sustainable in the long run. The constant feeling of deprivation can lead to binge eating and a cycle of yo-yo dieting. It's a frustrating experience that can leave you feeling defeated and hopeless. But here's the good news: it doesn't have to be this way. There are effective, sustainable ways to lose weight without feeling miserable. You don't have to starve yourself or follow extreme diets to see results. There are methods that focus on balance and moderation, allowing you to enjoy your favorite foods in a healthier way. There are effective, sustainable ways to lose weight without feeling miserable. And that's what we're going to focus on today. We're going to ditch the fad diets and quick fixes and instead focus on simple, science-backed strategies that can help you achieve real, lasting results. These hacks are all about making small, sustainable changes to your lifestyle that can add up to big results over time. It's about creating habits that you can stick with for the long haul. Remember, this isn't about deprivation. It's about making healthier choices that you can stick with for the long haul. So let's get started on this journey together. With the right approach, you can achieve your weight loss goals and maintain them for life. Let's dive in. All right, let's dive into our first hack: drinking more water. It's simple yet incredibly effective. You've probably heard this one before, but there's a reason it's repeated so often. It works. Water is essential for our bodies, and staying hydrated can have a multitude of benefits. But how exactly does water help you lose weight? Let's break it down. First and foremost, water is naturally calorie-free. This means you can drink as much as you want without worrying about adding extra calories to your diet. Think about all the sugary drinks you consume throughout the day. Soda, juice, even fancy coffee drinks. These beverages are often packed with sugar and calories. These beverages are loaded with empty calories that can sabotage your weight loss efforts. They provide little to no nutritional value and can lead to weight gain. By swapping them out for water, you're instantly reducing your calorie intake without even trying. It's a small change that can make a big difference over time. But it goes beyond just cutting calories. Water also helps to keep you feeling energized and refreshed throughout the day. Water also plays a crucial role in boosting your metabolism. When you're well hydrated, your body can function more efficiently. Studies have shown that drinking water can temporarily increase your metabolic rate, meaning you burn more calories even at rest. This is a great way to enhance your weight loss efforts. And here's another bonus: water can help curb your appetite. Sometimes our bodies can confuse thirst with hunger. Often, when we think we're hungry, we're actually just thirsty. Drinking water can help you distinguish between the two. Drinking a glass of water before meals can help you feel fuller, preventing overeating and reducing your overall calorie intake. This simple habit can support your weight loss journey. So how much water should you be drinking? The general recommendation is 8 glasses a day, but it's always best to listen to your body and drink when you're thirsty. Remember, everyone's needs are different. Factors like your activity level, climate, and overall health can affect how much water you need. Carry a reusable water bottle with you throughout the day to make staying hydrated convenient and easy. This way, you'll always have water on hand and can sip throughout the day. Our next hack is all about protein, a crucial nutrient for weight loss. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, but it also plays a significant role in regulating your appetite and boosting your metabolism. When you eat protein, your body burns more calories digesting it compared to carbohydrates or fats. This is known as the thermic effect of food. Protein has a higher thermic effect than the other macronutrients, meaning you burn more calories simply by consuming it. But that's not all. Protein also helps you feel fuller for longer. It takes longer to digest than carbohydrates, keeping you satisfied and preventing those pesky hunger pangs that can lead to snacking. So how can you incorporate more protein into your diet? Start by ensuring that each meal contains a good source of lean protein. This could include chicken breast, fish, tofu, beans, lentils, or Greek yogurt. Adding a protein-rich snack between meals can also help keep you feeling full and satisfied. Think hard-boiled eggs, a handful of almonds, or a protein shake. Chapter 4, Hack number 3, Sleep Your Way to a Healthier Weight. Now this next hack might surprise you, getting enough sleep. You might be thinking, what does sleep have to do with weight loss? Well, it turns out that sleep plays a crucial role in regulating your hormones, including those that control your appetite and metabolism. When you're sleep deprived, your body produces more of the hunger hormone ghrelin and less of the satiety hormone leptin. This hormonal imbalance can lead to increased cravings, particularly for sugary and fatty foods, making it harder to resist those late-night snacks. Lack of sleep also affects your metabolism. Studies have shown that sleep deprivation can slow down your metabolism, making it harder to burn calories effectively. This can lead to weight gain over time, even if you're not eating more than usual. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Establish a regular sleep schedule, create a relaxing bedtime routine, and make sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool. Chapter 5, Hack number 4, Fiber Up. The secret to feeling full and satisfied. Let's move on to hack number 4, eating more fiber. Fiber is a game changer when it comes to feeling full and satisfied. Fiber is a type of carbohydrate that your body can't digest. Unlike other carbs that break down into sugars, fiber passes through your digestive system relatively intact. While this might sound counterintuitive, it's actually great news for your waistline. Because fiber isn't digested, it doesn't contribute to your calorie count in the same way other foods do. Fiber adds bulk to your diet, helping you feel fuller for longer and reducing overall calorie intake. This means you can eat less and still feel satisfied. It does this by absorbing water in your digestive system, creating a sense of fullness that signals to your brain that you're satisfied. This can be particularly helpful if you're trying to manage your weight, but the benefits of fiber go beyond just weight management. Fiber plays a crucial role in maintaining overall health. Fiber is also essential for maintaining a healthy gut, regulating blood sugar levels, and lowering cholesterol. A diet high in fiber can help prevent constipation and promote a healthy digestive tract. It's a true nutritional powerhouse. Including more fiber in your diet can have a profound impact on your overall well-being. So how can you increase your fiber intake? It's easier than you might think. Start by incorporating more fruits, vegetables, and whole grains into your diet. These foods are not only rich in fiber but also packed with essential nutrients. These foods are naturally rich in fiber and provide a wide range of essential vitamins and minerals. They are a great addition to any meal. Other great sources of fiber include beans, lentils, nuts, and seeds. These can be easily added to salads, soups, and even snacks. Aim to include at least 1 serving of these foods in your diet each day. By making these small changes, you can significantly boost your fiber intake and enjoy the numerous health benefits it offers. Chapter 6, Hack number 5, Plate size matters. Trick your brain, shrink your waistline. Our final hack is a simple yet surprisingly effective one. Use smaller plates. This might sound too good to be true, but there's actually a scientific reason why it works. Our brains are wired to associate larger portions with more food. When you use a large plate, your brain perceives the portion size as smaller than it actually is, leading you to serve yourself more food and potentially overeat. By using smaller plates, you're essentially tricking your brain into thinking you're eating more than you are. This can help you feel more satisfied with less food, reducing your overall calorie intake without feeling deprived. The next time you're serving yourself a meal, opt for a smaller plate. You might be surprised at how much less food you end up eating while still feeling full and satisfied. So there you have it, 5 surprising hacks to cut calories without eating less. Remember, these hacks are all about making small, sustainable changes to your lifestyle that can add up to big results over time. Incorporate these hacks into your daily routine and watch as you start to see a difference in your weight and overall health. And remember, consistency is key. Now I want to hear from you. What are your favorite weight loss hacks? Share them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to Finance Balance for more informative videos on health, wellness, and personal finance. See you in the next one.